and select your language.
Bananas. Welcome, friends. It's great to have you new and returning subscribers. Where are you watching from? Write in the comment box to get a shout out in my next video. Tiger nuts. Blend for 15 to 20 seconds. Add half glass of water. Blend for another 15 to 20 seconds. Strain blended tiger nut. Put blended tiger nut back into blender. Add another half glass of water. Friends, finding value? Kindly subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share with friends. Strain blended tiger nuts for the second time. Add banana. Add 1/8 cup, 31 milliliters, of honey. Transfer to blender. Now blend for 15 to 20 seconds. Drink this, wake up at night, and power like a horse. Also available are soup dishes, pastries, drink smoothies, quick, easy recipes. Friends, don't watch alone. Subscribe, like, share this recipe.